Hey, namaskar, friends. Hope everybody's having an awesome day. I was just driving around, made a quick pit stop. This little building over here. I am in a little town in Pennsylvania known for its Autumn Leaf Festival. Where's that, you ask? Clarion, Pennsylvania. Back in the day, though, they were known for producing metal out of this cold blast furnace. That is Helen furnace. Stone furnace. It's 32 feet high, and it has a 8-foot posh. I like these furnaces. And what's cool, it's still, look at that. Yeah, that's nice. It's neat that you can still come in here and see it. Yep. And it's still around. Yeah, now it was originally called Hieland furnace, but I think who it was named after had an accent, and Hieland started sounding like Helen, and that's how Helen became the name. It's a simple little stop, it's a simple little structure, but it's history nonetheless. And what's really neat is you can go in here. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. That's awesome, right? Yeah, so see, when you're driving around, there's these little stops you can make that, you know, most people don't pay no attention to. But look how cool it is. Look at that, look at that. Wow. That is awesome. Let's go out here for a minute. And I believe this was built in 1845. I'm pretty sure I'm right on that. 1845 and 1857, it was done. It ceased production. So, not really used for a long time. But look how amazing it is. And I don't remember. Let's see, can we walk up there? Let's walk up here. I don't remember, man, I've been doing a lot of walking today. I don't remember, but there used to be a bridge. Once I get up here, I'll turn this around. Awesome. Let's go up here to this to this lookout right here. Not too long of a video. Yeah. There used to be a bridge that went from here to the top, and then you could look down. But I think it had too much structural damage to it, and I guess they ended up tearing it down. And I could have just walked up here. Been a little easier. Awesome, right? Nice little pit stop. And this right here, this area, I'll walk around there. I believe that was one of the, or I think that was the building that controlled the furnace. I'll walk a little closer. Walk a little closer. Yeah, because I think they have some of the foundation over here. Yeah, see? This would have been the building right here that controlled the blast furnace. Yeah. So a little road stop, pit stop history. There's a chipmunk right over there. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there he goes. You see him running? Yep, he went into the rocks. Yep, he's gone. But yeah, nice little roadside history stop. Again, we are in Clarion, Pennsylvania. And not a big town. Close to Cook Forest. So yeah, if you're in an area, stop by, check it out. You know, I guess the fun part of it, if you're not into the whole history, you know, thing, the fun part would be crawling inside and looking up into the hole, I guess. You know, I wish you could go up top though. That would have been kind of neat. But if you look at some of the old pictures, the structure itself, like it was all it was all wavy. So I don't think it was safe to walk across on. But yeah, that was the little pit stop we did today. You know what? Before I go, I'll take you a picture. Here's a plaque over here actually that tells more of the history of it. So I'm just going to do that right there. And if you want to read it, you can pause it. And let's go look at that one more time. If you want to read that and pause it, you know, that's the best way. Oh, there's the other. There's looking out. Ah, that's awesome. So yeah, check it out if you're in Clarion, Pennsylvania. Definitely worth the stop. But I appreciate you watching. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, please, and I'll catch you on the next adventure. This is Jim Mueller with Everyday Adventures with Jim. Fair to Malenge.